Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change language on ClickUp application. So how to change language on ClickUp application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the ClickUp app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the ClickUp app. Next, tap the profile icon at the top right. And appears like this. Tap Menu Settings. And tap Language. Here there are several languages from various countries that can be used. So that's it, tutorial how to change language on ClickUp application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.